Let's now create our welcome message. Your welcome message is the first message an end user will see when they first message your business page on Facebook. Let's get into it. From your Yakbot dashboard, click the Messenger bot tab in the left sidebar menu. Next, click the action arrow under bot settings. From here, click the action button settings, then the get started template in the pop-up window. On the page that's loaded, enter your welcome message. In this example, we will use images, text, and buttons. Once completed, click Update. Now let's check it out. Great, our welcome message is now set. That's it for this video guys, see you in the next one.